No, fellas, I'm not with them. I was trying to help Thunderbolt. Honest, that's what I do. I'm the sidekick. We're a team. Come on, fellas. Come on. Don't you want me?
Now who's the pathetic ham actor?
I am painting spots, but she doesn't like them so good. And then she says, no, you must kill them. And I'm not so sturdy. She's very mean to me. And then I pass out.
There they are. Those are the ones.
She made us do it.
Spots? I do see spots, you know. They're everywhere. Spot. Bye-bye.